you all, welcome to my channel. I'm Sagrika and I'm back with some new tips and tricks for you. And today in this video I'm gonna tell you few indoor plants that are really ideal to keep in your bedroom, kitchen or anywhere in your house. So this video is quite requested because I have a big plant showroom in Indore at Shop by the name Thegardenshop. So you can see it's a beautiful live plant showroom, and basically in this showroom I keep all the indoor plants. So by my knowledge, whatever I have, I'm gonna tell you 10 indoor plants that are really ideal to keep inside your house. So let's start with this video. Okay guys, so first in the list is Aglaonema. You know, Aglaonema is my favorite indoor plant because it's an oxygen bomb. It's a very good air purifier, and whatever plants are indoor that are really very good air purifier. So this is Aglaonema lipstick. You can see it's a beautiful plant, and I really like the color shade of this plant. It has red, it has green, and it looks really beautiful indoor. And another one from the family of Aglaonema is Snow White Aglaonema. It has small patches of white. That's why it's called as Snow White Aglaonema. It's a very ideal indoor plant. And the last one in the family of Aglaonema is Aglaonema Pink, and this is all-time favorite as I'm a girl, so pink color is my favorite. So this is Aglaonema Pink, and this is really very ideal indoor plant. As you can see, it's also giving flower. So this plant also gives flower inside. So these three variety of Aglaonema lipstick, Snow White Aglaonema and Pink Aglaonema are really very ideal to keep inside your house. So this was first in the list. Now let's see the other plant that is ideal to keep inside your house. So guys, next in the list is Peace Lily. It's also called as Phytophilum, and it also gives a beautiful white flower. Whenever you will keep it outside, it gives a beautiful white flower, and it's a NASA recommended plant. It's really very good for health. If you're suffering some problem of asthma or breathing related problems, this is like a miraculous plant for you. You can keep it inside your bedroom, wherever you sleep. It provides oxygen in night as well. That's why it's NASA recommended plant. So I would highly recommend this plant to keep indoor. It's Peace Lily Phytophilum. So guys, third in the list is Zamia Calcus, and the best part about this plant is it's zero light plant. Can you imagine? You can also keep it in dark and it will grow like this. So I would highly recommend this plant. This plant is really very strong. Its roots is so strong that it can even break the pot, and it's a very beautiful plant. You can see the leaves are so beautiful and it's in like pointed shape. So I really love this plant, and I highly recommend this plant to keep indoors, Zamia Calcus. So guys, fourth in the list is Milky Dricena. You can see the beautiful shades of this plant. You can see the beautiful patches in this plant. It has a few white patches. That's why it's called as Milky Dricena. And Dricenas are really very ideal to keep indoor. And this one is really very pretty. If you like decorate it in very beautiful white pot, it really looks very beautiful. And it's also a very good air purifier. So I highly recommend this plant to keep indoor, Milky Dricena. So guys, another bomb of oxygen is this small little plant, and it's called as Haverthia, and it's also called a zebra plant because it has white stripes in it. That's why it's called a zebra plant. It's an oxygen bomb. You can keep it inside your house, and the best part is the height remains the same, and it's belong from the family of succulents. And if you decorate in a beautiful ceramic pot, it really looks very nice. I prefer it keeping it in wash basin or in my bathroom to keep bathroom air purified, as it's a very good air purifier. So I highly recommend this plant, Haverthia. The next one on the list is Sansevieria, and it's also called a snake plant, and this plant is also NASA recommended because this plant gives oxygen in night. So again, if you have any breathing related problem or asthma problem, this plant plant is like I can say jadi booty for you, and it's a very highly recommended plant for asthma patients. You can keep it like near your bed because it gives oxygen at night. It will solve all your breathing problems. So I'll highly recommend this plant. I have like a few in my garden shop. This one is a small sansevieria and beautiful ceramic pot. This is again a green sansevieria. This is variegated sansevieria because it has yellow stripes in this, and this is quite bigger one. This is green sansevieria. So if you are suffering from any such problem, please keep sansevieria inside your house. This plant is really very ideal to keep indoor. So guys, my 7th plant in the list of indoor plant is rubber plant. This plant is really very ideal to keep indoor, and it's a very good air purifier. Some people believe not to keep a rubber plant inside your house, but it's a myth. It's a very good air purifier. You can keep it inside your house, and this grows really very big. If you are looking for some like big indoor plants for your house to keep it in the corner or somewhere, this plant is really recommended by my side. So rubber plant, very good ideal indoor plant. So guys, next in the list is green money plant. You know, we have like so many varieties of money plant, but only green money plant is ideal to keep indoor. We have golden money plant, marble money plant, variegated money plant, but you know, green money plant grows really well inside your house. You can see how long and beautiful this green money plant is. And you can also keep money plant like this in a bottle. How beautiful this is looking, you can see. So guys, if you're lazy and not a plant lover and you want to keep plants inside your house, I would recommend you beautiful lucky bamboos. There are so many lucky bamboos available in market. So keep lucky bamboo inside your house because you just need to give them water once in every 10 days. So if you are lazy and not a plant lover, you can keep lucky bamboo inside your house. So guys, last but not least is Erica palm. Erica palm is a beautiful and big indoor plant. If you are looking something in big and heighted plants for indoor, Erica palm is highly recommended. This plant is easily available anywhere, and I think you must be knowing about this plant because this is very common plant. That's why I am telling you this plant in the last. You can see it's a very big and beautiful plant. It has very beautiful palm leaves. I totally love this plant because I can keep it in the corner of my house or anywhere, and it's an oxygen bomb, and it's a highly recommended NASA plant because this also gives oxygen in night. So I highly recommend to keep Erica palm in your house, and also keep large number of Erica palm in your house to like purify your air, and it's a NASA recommended plant, so it's an oxygen bomb. So last but not least is Erica palm. So guys, now it's time to leave, but in the last I want to request you all, please replace your flower bouquet with a plant bouquet. Give anyone an ever growing gift. If you're going in a wedding or birthday party, please give plant bouquet. It's a very beautiful and ever growing gift for anyone. So you can see we have made this customized bouquet at our garden shop, and this is very beautiful handmade pot. This is really very beautiful to give anyone in for their wedding and birthday party. So replace flower bouquet and give them ever growing gift. And now me Sagrika signing off, but before that, if you really like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and for more such videos, subscribe to my channel. Now me Sagrika signing off. Bye, take care, love you all.